All right, good afternoon, traders. I want to address this question I came across. This was not specifically to me, but I thought it was a great question that deserved an answer that I wanted to provide on my channel here. When whatever, it doesn't matter what instrument it is strongly bullish, like yesterday and today, it is usually a bad day for my trading, as I trade mostly counter trend. How do you usually perform on days like this? Any tips to avoid being caught unprepared on days of strong trends? The answer to this question is so simple that it eludes traders. When the market is showing you an environment of price action that does not work for your brand of trading, close your DOM and take your hands off the mouse and go do something different. That's the answer. If your style of trading does not mesh with the price action you are being presented with, you only have one option: stop trading, or plan to have drawdown, be frustrated, be upset, and think that you're a horrible trader. The second thing I would tell this trader is stop trading counter trend. That perhaps your system of trading is incorrect. There are places to counter trade, but I don't recommend it. If you want to really stack the odds in your favor, learn to read price action and trade with the trend. Know that you're in a trend. Know when that trend is getting tired and it might reverse. Know where is too early in the trend and where is the sweet spot in the trend. But to answer his question, when price action does not match your trading style, just stop trading. Most degenerate gamblers can't walk out of the casino. Can you close down your DOM and walk away? Every now and then you should do it just to test your own willpower. Who is in control, the charts or you? You do not have to trade every day. You do not have to trade every hour. You might watch price action the first hour and a half and go, you know what, I'm done. This just isn't working for me today, and go do something different. It is empowering to tell the charts, no, I'm not trading. Okay, have a great day.